Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this makeup look. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So I've already got my base on and I've also done my eyebrows. So I'm going to begin with applying some primer onto my eyelid. You can use any eyeshadow base as long as it's a few shades lighter than your skin color. If you're trying to achieve bright eyeshadow looks, then always go for a few shades lighter eyeshadow base. And if you want a natural eyeshadow makeup, then go for an eyeshadow base that matches your skin tone. So I'm going to use this Naked Urban Decay palette and I'm going to use this shade called Buck. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid, mainly on the crease line and above. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay Moon Dust collection, and I'm going to use this green called Light Year. And I'm going to apply this below the crease line. And I'm going to apply some on my bottom lash line as well. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyes. Next, I'm going to go back to the same Naked Urban Decay palette and I'm going to use this gold shade called Half Baked. And I'm going to apply this just on the center of the eyes. And just on both the corners, just blend it out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyes. Just do a one swipe on the middle of the eyelid and just blend the two edges. And then if you need to go back and take some more product, go ahead. And I'm just going to use my finger just to set that in place. See how easy that was, guys? So that's basically it for the eyeshadows. I'm going to apply some eyeliner. The eyeliner that I'm going to be using today is a gel eyeliner. It's from Inglot number 77. This gel eyeliner was actually recommended by one of my friends. It's really good, but I mean it's really good for the top eyelid. However, when you do it for the bottom eyelid to line the bottom lash line, it kind of smudges. So yeah, but it's still good for the top part. The brush I'm going to be using is number 23T. It's from Inglot as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes. I've done a separate tutorial on how to apply false lashes. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to go and check that out. Please make sure you do. Now I've got my false lashes on. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of the makeup. Next, I'm going to apply some blush. The one I'm using is from Miss Rose, and I'm going to use this pink shade in the middle. Next I'm going to apply highlighter. The one I'm using is from Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Gumdrop. Next I'm going to apply this lipstick from MAC in the shade Retro Matte Relentlessly Red. It's actually a pink shade with red undertone. And I'm going to set my makeup with MAC Charged Water. Smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and I'll show you the final look. So this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.